Ooh, this guy looks like he's hurting. Oh, sir, yo, you got some back pain?
Yeah, I just got off a flight. I've been on 5 flights in 4 days. You know, they working me like a Hebrew slave, so.
well, we need to take a load off. Do you want me to fix your back? We can do it right now.
How you gonna fix my back?
I'll show you. Let's go, man. Come on. Right. Okay, pull your arm through a bit. Hand there. We're gonna bring this leg up, okay?
I thought I was about to pray. I thought you was putting me in a position to pray.
All right, same thing on this side. Pull it in.
Oh my God. Dang, you like Pringles, man. Once you pop the fun, don't stop, huh?
Right. So you're just gonna put that arm there, that arm here. I'm gonna roll you over.
Oh. Wow. Dang, this what you call hug me to slug me, huh? Dang.
Feeling good?
I felt that though, yeah, I felt that for sure.
Yeah, you did. How's your back feeling now, man?
You know what you and comedians got in common?
What?
Y'all both cracked me up. So yeah, you did good.
My pleasure doing so. But here's actually the thing is, this relief you feel right now, it's actually just temporary. We need to do some exercises and teach you how to keep the progress going while at home. So you want me to show you the
I gotta do
secret?
Some more?
You gotta do some more. I'm gonna show you the real secret, okay?
Oh, man.
All right, watch this. Let's get on the ground here, okay? We're gonna show you how to mobilize your low back at home. So lay flat on the stomach, hands under your shoulders like you're doing a push-up, and you're gonna push your chest up off the ground like you're doing a cobra. Go ahead and push on up. Keep those hips loosey-goosey on the floor. Push as far as we can, okay? What this is doing is it's helping mobilizing his lower back so he can improve that posture and gain that mobility back. Now we're gonna transition to the next one. So you're gonna be on your knees and we're gonna lean back into this movement. So this is gonna help mobilize our thoracic spine. We're gonna get a bit of a pop here too. You can rock in and out of this as you go. So go up and go down. So then go up and then back down. This is gonna help improve his mid-back posture, keep this loose, crack that throughout the day too, to maintain that mobility. Keep going.
Yeah.
So this one is our bird dog, opposite arm, opposite leg. Let's straighten them out. This is gonna improve our spine stability, so now we can improve the strength of his spine, the strength of his core, to maintain these results for life. How you feeling, man? How's this one feel?
I feel good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I feel like I'm doing a Statue of Liberty, like I belong in the water or something.
After that, why is it important to get some help for your low back pain?
Because you never know what you can do. I was over there like an old man. You see me, you had to help me up.
I saw you.
You probably thought I was 86, huh? I was born in the 30s, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I went to school with Moses, but I didn't. I just been working hard instead of hardly working. But now I can work back hard now. Yeah, so this is definitely important. Health is wealth, you know. I appreciate it.
Yeah, right on, man,
Yeah.
for sure.
And if you like that video, but you truly are dealing with some pain that you're ready to resolve without surgery, then just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509 and you can get a free demo with my team to help you get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica pain.